Across this app recently and felt inspired. It's an app that's sort of like TikTok and Facebook Reels. Users are shown short form video content and then ask questions, or at least that's what I would do. So I'm going to walk you through how I would build an app like that. So a quick walkthrough of what we have so far is that we have a home screen. Our home screen allows users to vertically scroll. In each full screen vertical scroll, we can see a video that's embedded into the page. The video automatically starts and plays and can be stopped on press. Additionally, at the bottom, we have a progress indicator, which allows users to scrub forward or backward. Below that, we have a tab navigator, which allows the user to go to multiple screens. On the Discover page, you can see that we have a carousel. Carousel can be tapped, which navigates the user to the next screen. Additionally, we have horizontal scroll on this page. Any of these thumbnails can be tapped, which allows the user to see the video in full screen. If you like the video, please consider liking, subscribing, or donating if you haven't already. Your support can help create more and better quality content. Links in the description below.